Let's discuss the most critical customizations in financial accounting in SAP S/4HANA. Chart of accounts customization. The chart of accounts customization is a critical step in configuring SAP S/4HANA's financial accounting component. The COA defines the structure of accounts used for recording financial transactions. The key roles involved in this customization include the financial accountant, who defines the accounts, and the technical consultant, who translates the financial accountant's requirements into the SAP system. The typical activities involved in this customization include defining the COA, creating the account groups, defining the account groupings, and creating the accounts. Financial accounting document customizing. This customization involves configuring the financial accounting document types and numbering schemes to meet the specific business processes and requirements of the organization. The key roles involved in this customization include the financial accountant, who defines the document types, and the technical consultant, who configures the system. The activities involved in this customization include defining the document types, assigning the number ranges, and defining the document fields. Configuration of payment methods and bank determination. This customization involves setting up and configuring payment methods, such as checks or electronic transfers, and bank determination to determine which bank accounts to use for specific payment transactions. The key roles involved in this customization include the finance manager, who defines the payment methods, and the technical consultant, who configures the system. The activities involved in this customization include defining the payment methods, configuring the bank determination rules, and defining the house banks. Configuration of tax codes and tax procedures. This customization involves configuring tax codes and procedures to ensure that the correct tax amount is calculated and recorded for each transaction. The key roles involved in this customization include the tax accountant, who defines the tax codes and procedures, and the technical consultant, who configures the system. The activities involved in this customization include defining the tax codes, configuring the tax procedures, and assigning the tax codes to the relevant account codes. Configuration of dunning procedures. This customization involves setting up and configuring dunning procedures to manage the process of sending reminders and notifications to customers who have overdue accounts. The key roles involved in this customization include the accounts receivable accountant, who defines the dunning procedures, and the technical consultant, who configures the system. The activities involved in this customization include defining the dunning procedures, specifying the dunning levels, and configuring the dunning letters. Configuration of interest calculation. This customization involves configuring interest calculation methods and procedures to calculate and record interest charges for overdue accounts. The key roles involved in this customization include the finance manager, who defines the interest calculation methods and procedures, and the technical consultant, who configures the system. The activities involved in this customization include defining the interest calculation methods, specifying the interest rates, and configuring the interest calculation rules. Configuration of material ledger and cost accounting. This customization involves configuring material ledger and cost accounting to provide real-time cost and profitability information for materials and products. The key roles involved in this customization include the finance manager, who defines the material ledger and cost accounting settings, and the technical consultant, who configures the system. The activities involved in this customization include defining the material ledger, configuring the cost component structure, and setting up the actual costing. Configuration of accounts receivable and accounts payable. This customization involves customizing the accounts receivable and accounts payable processes to meet the specific requirements of the organization, such as credit management and payment processing. The key roles involved in this customization include the accounts receivable and accounts payable accountants, who define the settings, and the technical consultant, who configures the system. The activities involved in this customization include defining the credit control area, specifying the credit limits, configuring the payment terms, and setting up the dunning areas. These customizations are critical in configuring SAP S/4HANA's financial accounting component to meet the specific business requirements and processes of the organization. The key roles involved in each customization include the financial accountant, the finance manager, the tax accountant, and the accounts receivable and accounts payable accountants, along with the technical consultant who configures the system. We really thank you for your time spent on this session. Feel free to meet our partners by sending an inquiry email to contact us at t24global.com. Most of our partners have 15 to 20 years industry experience. So, please get in touch for any quick, managed business process and IT consulting needs